with, share with you guys a DIY that I did that I've been wanting to redo for a while. If you saw my closet tour, I think it was last summer, last year, you saw that I had a chandelier that I created. So I want to revamp that and make it more bohemian. So I added a few things to it and revamped it, and it looks really beautiful. I Snapchatted and Instagram story this morning, which this is a few days from this day, but it's cool. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I did it and show you what it turned out to be, like what it looks like. And tell you guys I'm sorry about last week. I was really tired. I couldn't put up a video, but I'm gonna try every Thursday to put up videos. And yeah, that's it.
So the first thing I had to do was take down my chandelier, and as you can see, there was a lot of beads I had to go through. So the supplies I needed for this project was beads. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and there was like a whole bunch of different sizes of clear beads. I also needed clear string, and then I also had some leftover string from one of my dream catchers, and then I got these gold white feathers from Michael's for like $1 and something. So I got my inspiration from off of one of the pins that I pinned on Pinterest on my board, and it was just like a whole bunch of like beads hanging down, but I decided to add feathers to it to make it more bohemian. So the first step was taking off all of the string and clear string and beads and tape that I had already on my original chandelier, which took quite some time. So after I took everything off, I cut more long pieces of clear string, and I just tied off the clear beads, and I spaced them about a hand length apart so that they were spaced out, and it just made it look more fuller and I think just more nicer. Guys, I just finished and this is the end result. My boho inspired chandelier. What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. It took me some time to get it untangled because it got tangled when I was putting it up, but this is it. And I think it's gorgeous, and I'm so in love. It's so boho, it's so bohemian. It's so bohemian. I love it.
liked this video. I hope it inspired you to be more creative and do some DIY yourself. If you have any questions about what I did, leave those in the comment section below. And I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you